Controlling your mind is a complex and ongoing process that requires self-awareness, discipline, and practice. Your mind is a powerful tool, and mastering it can lead to improved mental well-being, productivity, and overall life satisfaction. In this video, we'll explore various strategies and techniques to help you gain better control over your mind. Self-awareness. The first step in controlling your mind is developing self-awareness. Pay close attention to your thoughts, emotions, and reactions. Journaling can be a valuable tool for this. By understanding your thought patterns and triggers, you can begin to identify areas where control is needed. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment without judgment. It helps you observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them. Regular mindfulness meditation can enhance your ability to control your mind by fostering greater awareness and detachment from negative thought patterns. Positive affirmations. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Create statements that reflect the attitudes and behaviors you want to cultivate. Repeat these affirmations daily to reprogram your subconscious mind and boost self-confidence. Goal setting. Setting clear and achievable goals provides your mind with direction. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This approach helps maintain focus and motivation, making it easier to stay in control. Time management. Efficient time management reduces stress and allows you to direct your mind towards tasks that matter most. Prioritize your responsibilities, create schedules, and eliminate distractions to maximize productivity. Healthy lifestyle. Physical well-being plays a significant role in mental control. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep enhance cognitive function and emotional stability. Stress management. Stress can negatively impact your ability to control your mind. Develop stress management techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or meditation to stay composed during challenging situations. Limit negative influences. Identify and minimize exposure to negative influences, whether they're people, media, or environments. Surround yourself with positivity and people who support your growth. Continuous learning. Expanding your knowledge and skills can boost self-esteem and self-control. Challenge yourself to acquire new abilities or engage in lifelong learning to keep your mind sharp. Mindset shift. Cultivate a growth mindset by embracing challenges and setbacks as opportunities for learning and improvement. This perspective shift can empower you to maintain control over your reactions and emotions. Emotional regulation. Learn to manage your emotions effectively. Practice emotional intelligence by recognizing and expressing your feelings in healthy ways. This prevents impulsive reactions and promotes better control. Seek professional help. If you struggle with severe mental health issues or find it challenging to control your mind despite your efforts, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists, counselors, and psychiatrists can provide guidance and support. Visualization. Use the power of visualization to reinforce your goals and intentions. Imagine yourself succeeding in various aspects of life. Visualizing positive outcomes can program your mind for success. Gratitude. Regularly practice gratitude by acknowledging the positive aspects of your life. This can shift your focus away from negativity and promote a more positive and controlled mindset. Consistency. Remember that controlling your mind is an ongoing process. Consistency is key. Keep implementing these strategies in your daily life to maintain and strengthen your mental control. In conclusion, controlling your mind is a journey that involves self-awareness, mindfulness, positive affirmations, goal setting, time management, a healthy lifestyle, stress management, and more. It's important to be patient with yourself and recognize that progress may take time. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can gradually gain better control over your mind and lead a more fulfilling life.